Hello everyone. And welcome back once again to another interesting video. In today's video we delve into the world of technology engineering and unveil top 7 highest paying tech engineering jobs for beginners in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned engineer or a budding enthusiast, this video will provide valuable insights into the most financially rewarding tech engineering careers. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. In the rapidly evolving landscape of technology, engineering professionals play a crucial role in driving innovation and solving complex problems. As industries continue to embrace digital transformation, the demand for skilled tech engineers has skyrocketed, leading to competitive salaries for those at the forefront of their fields. In this comprehensive exploration, we will delve into the 7 highest-paying tech engineering jobs, shedding light on the unique skills, responsibilities, and market trends associated with each role. 1. Machine Learning Engineer. Machine learning or ML engineers are in high demand as organizations leverage artificial intelligence or AI to gain insights, automate processes, and enhance decision-making. These professionals design and implement machine learning algorithms, working at the intersection of computer science, statistics, and domain-specific knowledge. Their responsibilities include data pre-processing, model training, and deployment. ML engineers often collaborate with data scientists and software engineers to develop scalable and efficient solutions. As the demand for AI-driven applications continues to surge, machine learning engineers command some of the highest salaries in the tech industry. Key skills for success in this role include proficiency in programming languages such as Python and R, expertise in machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch, and a deep understanding of data structures and algorithms. 2. DevOps Engineer. DevOps or Development and Operations Engineers play a critical role in bridging the gap between software development and IT operations. These professionals focus on automating processes, ensuring continuous integration and delivery, and enhancing the efficiency of software development pipelines. DevOps engineers work with tools like Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins, and various scripting languages to streamline the deployment and management of applications. The adoption of DevOps practices has become essential for organizations aiming to achieve faster development cycles and improved software reliability. DevOps engineers are instrumental in creating a collaborative culture that promotes communication and collaboration between development and operations teams. As businesses prioritize agility and reliability, DevOps engineers are rewarded with competitive salaries reflective of their integral role in modern software development. 3. Data Scientist. Data scientists are tasked with extracting meaningful insights from vast datasets to inform business decisions and strategies. This interdisciplinary role requires a combination of statistical analysis, machine learning, and domain-specific expertise. Data scientists utilize programming languages like Python or R, along with data visualization tools such as Tableau or Power BI, to analyze and present complex data sets. In today's data-driven era, organizations across various industries rely on data scientists to uncover patterns, trends, and correlations that can drive innovation and competitive advantage. As a result, data scientists are among the highest-paid professionals in the tech industry. Their ability to derive actionable insights from data adds significant value to businesses looking to make informed decisions and stay ahead in a rapidly changing landscape. 4. Blockchain Engineer. Blockchain technology, known for its decentralized and secure nature, has gained widespread adoption beyond its initial application in cryptocurrencies. Blockchain engineers are responsible for designing, implementing, and maintaining blockchain systems that ensure transparency, security, and immutability of data. These professionals work with various blockchain platforms like Ethereum, Hyperledger, and Corda, employing programming languages such as Solidity or Go. The demand for blockchain engineers has surged as industries recognize the potential of blockchain in areas such as supply chain management, finance, and healthcare. The decentralized and tamper-resistant nature of blockchain technology addresses concerns related to data integrity and security. As businesses explore blockchain solutions, engineers with expertise in this field command high salaries due to their specialized skill set and the increasing importance of blockchain in modern technological ecosystems. 5. Cloud Solutions Architect. Cloud computing has become a cornerstone of modern IT infrastructure, enabling organizations to scale, innovate, and optimize their operations. Cloud solutions architects are responsible for designing and implementing scalable and secure cloud-based solutions. They work with cloud service providers like Amazon Web Services or AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform or GCP to architect solutions that meet the specific needs of their organizations. As businesses migrate their operations to the cloud to capitalize on flexibility, scalability, and cost efficiency, the demand for skilled cloud solutions architects has surged. These professionals must possess a deep understanding of cloud services, networking, security, and architecture principles. Given the critical role they play in shaping a company's cloud strategy, cloud solutions architects are among the highest earners in the tech industry. 6. Cybersecurity Engineer. With the increasing frequency and sophistication of cyber threats, cybersecurity engineers are in high demand to protect organizations from malicious activities. These professionals design, implement, and maintain security measures to safeguard systems, networks, and data from unauthorized access, attacks, and data breaches. Cybersecurity engineers employ a wide range of tools and techniques, including firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and encryption protocols, to fortify digital environments. As the digital landscape expands, the need for cybersecurity has become paramount. Organizations across industries prioritize investing in robust cybersecurity measures to protect sensitive information and maintain the trust of their stakeholders. Consequently, cybersecurity engineers are among the highest-paid tech professionals, reflecting the critical role they play in safeguarding businesses from the ever-evolving threat landscape. 7. Robotics Engineer. Robotics engineers are at the forefront of designing and developing intelligent machines that can perform tasks autonomously. This multidisciplinary field combines elements of mechanical engineering, electronics, computer science, and artificial intelligence. Robotics engineers create robotic systems for industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, and logistics, aiming to enhance efficiency and automate complex processes. As industries embrace automation to improve productivity and reduce operational costs, robotics engineers are in high demand. Their expertise in creating robots that can navigate diverse environments, perform intricate tasks, and collaborate with human workers positions them as key contributors to the future of work. Given the transformative potential of robotics in various sectors, robotics engineers command competitive salaries, reflecting the specialized skills required to drive innovation in this dynamic field. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 7 highest-paying tech engineering jobs discussed: machine learning engineer, DevOps engineer, data scientist, blockchain engineer, cloud solutions architect, cybersecurity engineer, and robotics engineer, represent the pinnacle of technological innovation. As industries continue to evolve and embrace digital transformation, the demand for skilled professionals in these fields is expected to remain robust. The increasing reliance on artificial intelligence, data-driven decision-making, secure digital infrastructures, and automation underscores the critical roles played by these engineers. Their specialized skills, coupled with the ability to adapt to evolving technologies, position them as valuable assets to organizations navigating the complexities of the modern technological landscape. Aspiring tech professionals and those considering a career shift within the engineering domain should carefully assess their interests, skills, and the dynamic nature of each field to align themselves with opportunities that not only offer competitive salaries but also provide a fulfilling and impactful career. In a world where technology continues to shape the future, these high-paying tech engineering roles are at the forefront of driving innovation and shaping the digital landscape. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.